Story 23.
The girls and the ball.
Words we know.
Happy, silly, funny, very, baby, angry, ready, came, money, chew, children, chart, when, who, what, keep, today, play, smart, hard, sharp, now, finger, please.
New sound.
W as in when.
Special words.
Scared, feel, nice, voice, one, friend.
The girls and the ball. Janet has a ball which is red and gold. She loves to whack it as hard as she can with her bat. When Janet hits her ball, she yells. She feels good when she plays bat and ball. Libby comes to see. She has no ball to play with. I hate you, Janet, she says. Let me play with you, or I will hit you, she says next. What for? Asks Janet. She feels scared and runs away. Libby feels angry when Janet runs away, but soon she feels sad and a bit silly. She has no one to play with. The next day, Libby comes back. Janet is scared. When Janet sees Libby, she starts to run away. Don't go away, whispers Libby to herself. Today Libby has a soft, sad voice. Whenever you won't play with me, I feel sad. Why won't you play with me? Libby asks Janet. I am scared, says Janet. You are not nice to me. Libby feels bad. She wants Janet to be friends with her. I will not hit you, Janet. I will be nice when we play. Janet wants a friend to play with too. She likes the soft voice which Libby has now. She feels better with her. You are being nice to me now, Libby. I will play with you. Now, whenever they are together, they play happily.
Words we've used.
Scared, nice, when, feels, voice, came, one, who, money, friend, what, here, which, whenever, why.
Some new words.
Whisper, whiskers, whip.